right, so today we are looking at the TSS Fab GC and GD trailing arms. Now obviously you've got just one on the table here, but it's going to come as a pair. You got tons of different options here for powder coating. You can add your new trailing arm mounts for these. These are going to be a little bit more heavy duty, and you can even make these what we call triple XL. So that's going to be a little heavier duty overall, and from there come with a heavy duty heim joint that's going to take care of anything you might throw at this, whether it's the road course or rally cross, jumping this thing. These are going to be super heavy duty for you, and of course fully adjustable. So like I said, you can go ahead and powder coat these however you'd like to finish them off. Basically TSS has some standard colors, and you can also go in and you can ask them to maybe mix up a custom color for you. And of course powder coat's going to be super heavy duty and tough. So go ahead and check these out. It is a great addition to any other TSS Fab parts that you might have on your vehicle. But of course you can go ahead and use these with your stock parts as well. But why not just get the whole kit and make sure you're all set with your GC or GD application. So check them out. I'll link it below. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to tssfab.us and they can take care of you there.